Hello, everyone. Today I want to talk about how you can use household items and toys for writing for grade 1 or 2. So, what I've done here is I've picked a puzzle from one of my kids' supplies or their collections. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the puzzle to think of things that we can write about it. So, here we see a scene, and we're simply going to use the scene and describe what's happening in the scene on our or in our journal. So we start as we always do with the date. So today is Wednesday, April 29th. And you're going to write that at the top with all those letters touching that bottom line. And there's enough spaces in between that you can read the words, but they're not going all over the page. Okay? Next, you're going to look at what you see here. So in the ocean, I can see a lot of things. And you're basically just going to go and describe what you see in your book or on your puzzle. So let's think of something we can see here. Well, there's a lot of colors, so I'm going to use some of that descriptive language. I can see crabs. Maybe we want to count the crabs. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4 crabs here. I can see 4. And maybe we want to describe their color. I can see 4 orange crabs. And put a period at the end. Maybe there's something else that you can see. Oh, we see some clownfish, and there are, I think, 4 of those as well. So I'm going to write about that. There. It's always good to change your sentences. If we had every sentence beginning with I, it wouldn't be very exciting for the reader. There are 4. I'm going to stretch out the word clownfish. Clown fish. 2. What else do I see? Oh, I see a seashell castle. I can see a seashell castle. I love the sea. Now, the sea is another word for the ocean. I love the sea. So now good writers always reread what they've written. In the ocean, I can see a lot of things. I can see 4 orange crabs. There are 4 clownfish too. I can see a seashell castle. I love the sea. So as simple as that. Take out a puzzle or a picture book and describe what you see on that page. Then you're going to do an illustration, a picture, to show what you have written about. So I shouldn't see anything about chickens in here because we're talking about the sea and the ocean here. So I want to see what you can come up with too.